Okay, I think there was a question regarding news event, news reporting, and how to write it and what actually it is. So I must simply first talk about what is news. Any incident that happens, that is only event. Suppose there is a car accident, that is only an event that happened. Yes, and now what you write about that event, that becomes news. So event is something that happens. News is something that what you write about that. So you're writing about that event, it becomes news. Yes. So the case is that if I ask you, anybody asks you to write a news report on something, you have to keep in mind that news report is not has to be a detailed analysis. News report is to provide facts. Simply if you read newspapers, you will find in any news, I must say these are the practical things that you should read newspapers and try to understand what actually are the content in the particular news. So you will find in a news report, journalists try to present the events, the happenings that happened there, the facts about that. Okay, this incident took place at this time, this place, how it happened, why it happened, when it happened, what happened. All these inverted pyramid that I had discussed, I had sent you the material on also. So inverted pyramid you need to know, and these 5W, 6W now actually. You have to know, you have to answer those questions, those 5, 6W in whatever the news you are presenting. Yes, that is what you have to write in the news report. But always keep in mind that this is not going to be detailed analysis as we do in articles, in feature article especially. So when you write feature article, suppose they ask write a feature article. So always you have to keep in mind that feature article has to be detailed analysis. It has to be creative. It has to be critical. Whereas when you talk about news report, it has to be facts. It has to be brief write up about the event that has taken place. So I hope you understand what the difference is. Once you are asked to write news report, it has to do with the facts, not that detailed analysis and creative analysis. Yes, but when we talk about feature article or feature writing, it has to be detailed analysis. For practical examples, I can simply say you read newspapers. So there are news reports about certain events which actually take place on daily basis somewhere this place or that place. So what they write, how they write, you can learn from there just to know how practically things are done. But we talk about feature article, feature writing, you can simply say the magazines. There are so many magazines which especially for civil services, SSC bank, people read from there. So magazines have detailed analysis, critical analysis, that is called feature article. Sometimes they simply can ask you write an article on that, write an editorial on that, or they can ask write a feature article on that, write a feature on that. That is detailed analysis, that has to be critically analyzed. Yes, but what if they simply ask news report? So news report has not to be that detailed and critical analysis. It has to be brief write up. It has to be based on facts, providing you the information. That 6W, that inverted pyramid that I had sent you, and you can also check on internet. Just type inverted pyramid. How these 6W are there that you can follow and you can write. And please go through newspapers. Things are there on practical way. Just read one day newspaper, you will find how the news are presented, how the editorial is written, how the things are there. Okay, okay, I hope you understand. Even then, if you have any issues, you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much.